everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 26th to the 30th of July 2021 on Monday. Gladys feels stuck between a rock and a hard place in her marriage and tough decision must be made. The police are determined to get to the bottom of the recent hijacking case in Gomora. Melusi and Thathi agree to spend the afternoon together at the B&B again on Tuesday. Gladys makes an announcement that shocks Melusi. London makes a decision that leaves Dawn fuming. Thathi gives away Langa's clothes to needy kids on Wednesday. Gladys finds evidence that Melusi may be having an affair. Dawn tried to convince his boys to try out a new hijacking strategy. Teddy impresses Miss Hlungwane when he seems to be ready for the big test on Thursday. Melusi resigned himself from Gladys' pregnancy decision while he and Thathi crossed the line. London and Dawn agree to step into a new territory. Teddy impresses the family when he proves to be ready for the test on Friday. Melusi chooses Thathi while Gladys and her unborn baby find themselves in a big life and death situation. Teddy is nervous about a test at school. London forces Dawn to abandon his family for a hijacking. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.